Hello, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Dollars Pilot YouTube channel. Today we've got something special for you. We are going to share about the best passive income ideas that you can start today. The best passive income ideas are ones that can help you earn money while you sleep. Passive income is the money that flows in without actively trading your time for it. Most people typically assume that passive income can only be earned in part-time businesses or investments. However, the digital age has made it easier for anyone to make passive income with little effort. As business owners, having a passive income stream can give you the freedom to pursue your passions and improve your quality of life. The idea of passive income can be appealing because it allows you to earn money without having to constantly trade your time for it. With the freedom of a passive income, you can focus on what brings you joy. Here are some best passive income ideas you can start today. Number 1. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other businesses' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products that you're passionate about and showcase them on your blog, social media, or email list. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to choose products that align with your niche and cater to your audience. Spend time researching and understanding your clients' interests and pain points and choose products that complement your products or services. By choosing the right product, you can build trust and credibility with your clients and generate a significant income stream that requires minimal effort once set up. Number 2, rental properties provide a steady stream of income without much effort on your part. If you have the financial means, you can invest in residential or commercial properties and rent them out for income. You could hire property management to handle the day-to-day operations of renting out the space while you collect the profits. Wise investments can be the key to building wealth, and rental properties offer an excellent opportunity for a passive income stream. Whether you choose to invest in residential or commercial properties, the potential for generating steady profits is high. Whether you're looking for a new source of revenue or a way to build long-term wealth, investing in rental properties is worth considering as one of your passive income ideas. Number 3, creating digital products. Creating digital product is a fantastic way to generate a passive income. Once you've created an ebook, course, printable, or template, you can sell it repeatedly without putting in extra work. You can potentially earn money while you sleep. These passive income ideas are an excellent move for anyone who wants to make money without working around the clock. With a bit of research and effort up front to create a high-quality product, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. Passive income products also offer greater flexibility and freedom. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is another passive income idea that can generate income without you having to do much work. Peer-to-peer lending is a mechanism for individuals to borrow and lend money without going through traditional banks. Not only does this provide an opportunity to generate income streams for yourself, but it can also offer borrowers more flexible repayment terms and potentially lower interest rates than they might be able to secure otherwise. Of course, as with any investment opportunity, there are risks to consider. But for those looking for a way to diversify their portfolios and potentially earn some extra cash along the way, peer-to-peer lending is definitely worth exploring further. Number 5, investing in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds is another great option for people looking to generate passive income from their businesses. Investing in stocks and bonds allows you to diversify your portfolio while also providing the potential for long-term growth of your investments over time. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Dividend stocks are considered a good long-term investment with growth potential. The passive income earned from owning dividend stocks grows as the company continues to prosper and pay out dividends. The bottom line is that earning passive income gives you the financial freedom to pursue your dreams even when you're not actively working. The ideas we've covered are just a few of many possible passive income ideas. The key to creating a successful passive income stream is to identify what works best for you and invest some time and effort up front. Consider combining different passive income sources to improve your chances of long-term success. Passive income ideas are powerful tools that can help give you the financial freedom you deserve.